In this video, we highlight some of the main differences between the ASHRAE 90.1 2010 Navigator and the ASHRAE 90.1 2013 Navigator. Window to wall ratio. 90.1 2013 establishes the baseline window to wall ratio based on building type as per table G3.1-1. This is facilitated in the Navigator by the new building area type assignment step. This new tab edit view allows the user to assign building types based on table G3.1-1 to spaces in the model. This information is then used during the baseline creation later in the Navigator workflow. Lighting controls. 90.1 2013 includes lighting control updates to match changes in Chapter 9. These are detailed in Table 9.6.1 and its associated text. This table shows the various lighting control types and their assignment, which is now applied on a space-by-space basis. The Lighting Control tab edit view has been updated to reflect Table 9.6.1 with the controller types placed along the top and the model spaces listed down the side. Any combination of control types can then be assigned to spaces in the model by the user. This flexible approach allows the user to assign mandatory controls to the proposed model, which are then copied to the baseline later in the Navigator workflow. Note that non-mandatory controls can be added to the proposed by the associated step in the Navigator. Infiltration. Table G3.1.5b allows credit for reduced infiltration verified by the whole building air leakage method. This new method has been included as an option in the new Navigator. If chosen, the user can enter a building envelope air leakage rate, and this is applied to individual spaces in the proposed model using the equations provided in 90.1. The same method is then used during baseline generation with a set building air leakage rate of 0.4 CFM per square foot. New baseline systems. Two new baseline systems for public assembly building types have been added to 90.1 2013, namely System 12, Single Zone Constant Volume Hot Water, and System 13, Single Zone Constant Volume Electric Resistance. These are now available for selection via the 90.1 2013 Baseline Systems HVAC library. Also, the PRM Systems Guidance Selection dialog has been updated to reflect changes in Table G3.1-3, for example, the addition of retail. It should also be noted that the PRM Baseline System Guidance document has been updated to reflect all the new requirements around the creation of baseline systems for 90.1 2013. Rules for baseline computer rooms. A new system type 11 has been added to 90.1 2013 to account for computer rooms. This is a single zone VAV with chilled water and applies to computer rooms in buildings with a peak cooling load greater than 3 million BTUs per hour. The application of the system has various rules, which are fully detailed in the PRM Baseline System Guidance document. Other requirements around computer rooms also exist in 90.1 2013, for example, a default monthly loading schedule for the baseline model. These new requirements have been included as part of the new Navigator workflow. Relaxing cooling tower approach. 90.1 2013 includes additions which require new functionality in Apache HVAC. One such addition is the requirement to allow the baseline cooling tower design approach to vary with wet bulb temperature. The heat rejection cooling tower dialog has been updated to allow the user to select this approach in cases where it's appropriate. Thermal comfort. Appendix G now allows credit for providing equivalent thermal comfort by means other than dry bulb temperature control. This is achieved via compliance with ASHRAE Standard 55-2010. A new category of steps has been included to facilitate an ASHRAE 55 analysis. Here, the user can select spaces to undergo the analysis, then set ASHRAE options and comfort controls. Once spaces have been selected, a thermal comfort report is available in the results section for review. In addition, the necessary parts of the BPRM report are also updated. For example, the unmet load hours now reflect the inclusion of free floating spaces. Note that a new step has also been added which, through the MacroFlow module, allows users to set up natural ventilation strategies. Find out more about the VE Navigator for ASHRAE 90.1 by visiting www.iesve.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest IES videos.